Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a very interesting kind of pedicure because I'm using rice water and I'm so excited to try these. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and before I start, I want to say thank you to the 200 plus subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you for supporting my channel, and if you have not, please make sure that you subscribe and support my channel. So let's start. So this is warm rice water on the basin. I've added thunder ash, then I've added shampoo, and then I'm adding those flowers. I just wanted to feel the spa vibe, so that is why I'm using those flowers. So I add the flowers and they were making me just excited, and therefore it was good. So then I'm using that water to soak my legs. So one advantage of rice water is that one, it enhances in the strengthening of the nails, and then it prevents wrinkles on the legs. And also, of course, because it has thunder ash, then shampoo, it will help in the softening of the cuticles, the softening of the dead skin, and therefore removing them becomes so easy. So after soaking for some few minutes, like 5 minutes, today I didn't want to soak for long. I then scrubbed my legs, of course, to remove dead skin. At this point, it's very easy to remove the dead skin, so I just scrub using my stone, just remove the dead skin and all that. So scrub until you're satisfied. After all, you're paying yourself to do that. It's a moment for yourself, so just do that. Then after ensuring that the dead skin is out, now it's time to clean the nails. So I'm just using my cuticle pusher just to remove dirt around my nails, the toenails, and just to ensure that any dead skin allowed it, I'm able to remove it. Of course, I'm not going to remove the nail polish because this is just foot care. So we just remove the dirt around. Make sure that you don't tamper with the polish. It's very important. So we clean the toenails, of course, until you are satisfied, okay? As long as you might want. So it's your eyes which are going to tell you when to stop. So for mine, I'm doing that for both my legs. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe, because I've done so many videos on, for example, how to remove cuticles, how to take care of your toenails, all.
Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah. It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. That obeys.
Then after removing dirt on the toenails, then we rinse off to remove the dirt, and then after that we will be done with this pedicure. I did not want to do so many things, and at this point my legs were already clean and they were already feeling good. So this was the result. Now the only thing that is remaining is to moisturize my feet. Just lock in the moisture, then wear my socks, and yeah, be ready for bed. Then guys, before I forget, the most important thing, always ensure that you dry in between your toes, that is because that is where infection can get in. And yeah, just ensure that you do that. So this is the result. As you can see, my heels, no dead skin, they are clean, they are looking good. So thank you for being here. Make sure that you subscribe, share, like, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you think of these pedicure. So bye bye, see you in my next video.
Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid.